Hi, it's Steve, Technical Sales Consultant from Bosch Power Tools. I'm with the guys at Toolstop, just having a chat about our reciprocating blades. Bosch have an extensive 70 years of history of making blades, starting with jigsaw blades. We've moved on to reciprocating blades, which we make a lot of. We have varying types of blades and a good range of blades, and we're constantly innovating. The latest innovation is our new Expert range. You'll see Bosch Expert as a brand going across all of our accessory range. In terms of the reciprocating Sabre saw blades, it means we have our vehicle rescue blades, which is used by fire services all over the country. We have our hard metal blades, we have window demolition blades, we have wood blades, we have plenty of blades in our Expert range for cutting tough materials, giving you up to 100 times more life and giving you quick cuts and just robustness. On top of that, in our bimetal and HCS range, we do everything from wood blades, from the basic from wood through metal blades to our wood with metal. We have then both stiff and flexible blades in various lengths as well. We then go on to our more specialist blades, such as brick cutting blades. We have plaster cutting blades. Got a demo here for a basic wood blade, 150mm wood blade. We do wood blades in basic, top and progressor. You have a range from 150 through to 200mm. They're designed to cut wood, construction wood without nails in, wood without nails in, and green wood. Very, very good for cutting materials, and you'll see from the demonstration how effective they are. Next demonstration is going to be one of the range of wood and metal blades we do for our Sabre saws, recip saws. This is the bimetal one. This is the heavy for wood and metal. I'm going to cut through some wood with some screws in. We also do a carbide version of this, but we also do flexible wood and metal blades and progressive wood and metal blades. The blade lengths run from 100 up to 300mm, depends on what you want. They will cut wood with metals in. They will do pallet work, so stripping pallets. They will also do epoxy resin as well. They will also do profiles, metal profiles and metal plates as well, up to a thin size. But they are a very flexible blade. The machine I'm using today for the demonstration is the GSA 18V32, our 18V top end recip saw. Blade change, nice and easy, even when wearing gloves. Nice easy catch, and that's your blade change done. Going to do a demonstration of metal blades. We do different metal blades from flexible through speed to progressor up to our endurance, which are our carbide technology, part of our Expert range. They're designed to cut profiles, pipes and flat plates, depending on what job you want to do, is which blades suit you well. The one advantage of the carbide blades are the lifespan. They give 50 times longer life than the basic flexible for metal. So all sorts of options here. I'm going to cut through this profile with the flexible for metal first, and then I'm going to go onto the carbide blade and cut through some box section. Carbide technology, windows demolition, so it's designed to take out window frames and doors and break up PVC lined with metal. So the carbide gives you endurance, it gives you a quick cut. So I'm just going to demonstrate on a bit of plastic here so we can show how quick it'll go through the plastic and how effective it is at cutting the plastic. Normally it would be just as effective with metal inside of that as well. We do a range of special material blades, which include an ice blade, fibre cements, aerated concrete and brick blades. These are all designed to cut through specialised and hard to cut material, neatly. and quickly. The aerated concrete, which is the one I've got here, is a carbide blade. So it gives you extended life and a quick clean cut. So we're going to do a demonstration on this just now, but just give you an idea of what we do in terms of a range, the special materials. If you have something you want to cut, check out what Bosch offer. We do a fantastic extensive range of blades with a blade that does a lot of jobs, and things like cast iron, stainless steel blades you don't realise exist out there. But please have a look at the range, visit the website, have a look at the range and see what there is.